We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Spanish footballer, or I should say Catalan footballer from the FC Barcelona, Gerard Piqué. Piqué is how it's said in Catalan, Piqué, Gerard Piqué. So in English, Gerard Piqué. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Spanish footballer, or I should say Catalan footballer from the FC Barcelona, Gerard Piqué. Piqué is how it's said in Catalan, Piqué, Gerard Piqué. So in English, Gerard Piqué. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.